We are doing a fall morning routine today. Park literally keeps getting prettier day by day, although I'm sweating a bit because of climbing the hill. I'm currently reading from a bench right now because I don't want to disturb the people who are, throwing water on the grass. Once in every 15 days or a week, I love going to the park where I just carry my favorite fruit or like my peppermint tea and just read there. This is a great way to look forward to your mornings, and I also get some vitamin D in the morning. I love to call this my morning picnics.
Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
I just reached home, guys, and now I'm making some breakfast because I'm a bit hungry right now, and I have this very delicious recipe to share with you all. So I really hope that you'll actually like it. I made this recipe a week ago and I posted a story, and I wanted to recreate it because I just made it so randomly. I just made some caramel sauce but with like apple to it. I'm just chopping some apples here and I'm gonna add some sugar to a pan to make the caramel sauce. You can add less sugar obviously. Once the sugar is melted, I'm just adding some jaggery powder to it, and then I'm also going in with some butter, and I'm also adding a bit of cinnamon and lemon to it now. For the pancake mix, I'm just going in with like a ready-made one. Obviously you can make it from scratch. I'm sure all of y'all have seen these frothy coffees, but like the hot version of it, because I don't really have a coffee machine to make that. I make it at home, and here's how I do it. I'm microwaving the milk for like a minute, but I'm making sure that it's hot, and meanwhile I also add some soaked dry fruits. You will need a frother for this. I got mine from IKEA, and I'm only frothing it on the top and the bottom, and the foam gets more intense as you froth it from like the top, and this won't dissolve, like it'll stay for like a very long time. Anyone who loves cinnamon, please comment down below because I genuinely love it. Like I love adding it to everything at this point, and I feel like it's an acquired taste, but if you do, please let me know in the comments below. Not added any sugar to my coffee because I'm already having a lot of sugar here. If anyone is bored of their basic Nescafe coffee at home, I would highly recommend you try this cinnamon one. I feel like it's something so different, and it gives you that cafe-like feel at home on a budget. And yeah, it's like a perfect fall drink to me, and I would really want to make this every day. Lying if I told you that this breakfast did not give me a sugar rush, because I feel like my energy levels are really high right now for some reason. think that I'm just cleaning for the sake, but trust me, I am not. If I could show you all the dust that is there on these shelves, you all would literally start judging me because it was so damn dirty. I feel like I cleaned it after like 15 days or like post Diwali, but it just felt so dirty that I'm sleeping in a place like this. Post cleaning, it got super late, so I also had this little porridge with ghee on top. It was such a comforting meal. I am all clean and fresh out of the shower, and I feel so refreshed because I actually just cried. I hit my acne, like this thing right here. I hit it on the edge of the door and I just like thud it right there, and it was so painful because if anyone has painful acne they would know how it feels. And I was like, I just can't bear the pain, so I just started crying and everyone just got up and they were like, shit, what happened? And I was like, listen, I'm just struggling through life right now. And yeah, I am feeling very refreshed now since I'm done crying. But let's do some skincare and body care. I'm using some body oil on my feet because I have shaved today after at least 3 months. I last shaved on my Goa trip and I have been so lazy that I haven't shaved. But then today I was like, you know what, Mallarie, you have to feel and look clean. Like, I know that clean legs make me feel good, but I'm just too lazy sometimes, you know. And today I was like, no excuses, you are shaving your legs. And I really want to get like a body laser done to like get rid of this whole jhanjat of doing it again and again. But yeah, I'm just applying some body oil because my feet tend to be so dry after I shave them. I'm gonna go in with like a body oil and then I'll also apply a bit of lotion. Guys, this is the outfit that I want to wear today at home while I work, and I'm gonna wear like this cute little full sleeve top with it. That I get to live with girls in my house 24/7 like my mom and my sister. I can wear whatever I want to and still look cute. So yeah, this looks like a mini skirt that I'm wearing at home, but it's still super comfortable. And this cotton full sleeve top, and I am ready to start filming and get some content done. PR package is here with me that I want to post a few stories for, otherwise I just keep on procrastinating. So yeah, let's post some stories and let me show you all what do I have in it. Must have already seen this top on my Instagram if you follow me there. Top that is from this brand called Rerun. I used to follow them when I had my own thrift store, but I feel like now they manufacture their own tops. And yeah, it's a very cute top, and I also have this cute little floral dress, and I am excited to wear this out, maybe to an event. But this is not a PR package, but I've actually purchased this from Amazon, and I really wanted like these cute heart-shaped bowls for like my chia seed pudding or like my morning smoothies, and it's just so cute, guys. Y'all can have a look. Although it's a bit more peachy pink, I like a bit more of cool toned pink. Side note. Now I have a PR package from Clinique. Am I dreaming, guys? Pinch me. But they have sent me their black honey lipstick. So I feel like a few months ago I had seen many Western influencers post about this black honey, but it's in like a lipstick form. And the one that we have right now, like the one that's running in India, I think it's the lip balm formula. So yeah, it's lipstick kind of like a thing. And they also gave me their Clinique mascara. Okay, now we have a PR package from Plum, and I have never ever gotten a PR package from Plum. Let me be honest with you. Like, I've collaborated with them, but they've never sent me like a PR package just for like a story or something like that. Let me actually smell this. Okay, floral, musky, cool toned, refreshing, powdery, and a little bit of seductive, kind of like a fragrance. Lastly, I have a PR package from Sebamed, and it's such a cute PR package because there are two things that I absolutely love from this. Put like a small little self-care kit for us here. Well, there is a cleansing foam, there is a Sebamed lip balm, and there's a Sebamed tote bag. And apart from that, they also sent me two very cute things. One is this cute little croissant headband that you can do before you put your makeup on. And I look stupid right now, but they also have this little thing. I think you wear these on your wrists before you like wash your face. Alright guys, I have to actually film a branded video for my reels, so I quickly have to get done with like posting the PR stories, and then we have to get into the filming part for the reel. So yeah, let's quickly start doing that.